Good morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, May 14th. Welcome to our number corners. Number corners? No, number corner. There's only one. As you know, we are following little Tad as he hops around on the 120 grid. We are keeping track of the patterns we notice, and we are able to now predict the color that the card will be and what type of card it will be. So go ahead, study our calendar, think about what our next card's going to be, think about the color, and think about whether it will be arrows, a word problem, or a chunk of our 120 grid. And I will tell you right now, I know it goes orange, purple, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, purple, purple, yellow, yellow, orange, purple, purple. It's going to be yellow. And I know my diagonal pattern, so it's going to be arrows. Each arrow down, we're adding 10. Each arrow up, we are taking away 10. To the left, we're taking away 1. To the right, we are adding 1. I repeat myself all the time, but I'm just drilling it into your head. Okay, so we know it's going to be purple. We know it's going to be arrows. Not purple, it's going to be yellow. And then we know it's going to be arrows. And I wonder if there's any other patterns. Could there be a pattern with the operation? I see a continuing pattern with every date, right? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a pretty simple one, but it's still a pattern. So keep an eye out, and maybe there's another pattern. I'm not sure. All right, let's see where Tad's going to go. He's on 46 because he was on 66, and then he fell back 20. So he's on 46, and let's see where he hops to. 3 arrows down. So does that mean we are adding or subtracting? Adding! And we solved the arrow ones with our 120 chart. So instead of adding 3 tens and counting out 30 individually, I can just go down. Each row is 10. So 3 arrows down, 10, 20, 30. What number did he end on? 76. You got it. So let's fill out our chart here. I already put in my number. It's the 14th day of the 5th month of the year 2020. We're starting at 46, and our operation was addition, and we added 3 tens. I could just say 10 plus 10 plus 10, or I can say 30, because I know my place value, and I'm good enough, and I'm smart enough, and people like me. So that is our equation, and now we'll put our number in here, and that's the number we ended on. Am I right? 46 plus 30 equals 76. Pay close attention, because sometimes I make mistakes, and you can catch them, but it's very rare. All right, so Tad is on 76. We'll see where he hops to tomorrow. Now, my quarter poem. A penny is... I won't do it this time. We'll read the poem. Ready? Quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. And here's the head side of a quarter. There's the tails. Look at the year, 1987. That was the year I was born. Great year. Extra credit. Do the math, figure out how old I am. Now, I read my poem. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. It's a quarter of $1. Do you know what a quarter is made of? It's made of silver. It's not all silver now. It used to be all silver, but that's what quarter's made of. Not every coin's made of silver either. So let's add a quarter, and let's see how much money we have. We have $2 and 2 quarters. So do we have $3? Can we regroup? No. We have $2.50 or $2.50. And if we are going to write that out, let's say 200, because that's the $2, plus 50 is the same as 250. You will notice that that decimal point, there's a pattern with our cents and then our dollars. So think about that. 250 cents is the same thing as $2.50. Notice that. And our last thing is our days in school. Today is the 153rd day of school. So let's break up our equation into hundreds, tens, and ones and do it a little different this time. So we have 100, right? Now, how many tens do we have? 5. So let's just write 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many is that? 3 plus 10. There's 4 tens plus 10. I'm getting tired. Now, how many ones do we have? 3. So let's do 3 ones. 1. Now I am truly breaking it up. I did this the hard way. Boy, what an equation I have here. Is it correct? Yes. Is there an easier way to write this? Yes. Do I care? I wanted to show you. So that is how I wrote that equation. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic Thursday, and watch tomorrow for the Friday number corner. Have a wonderful day. I never know days. Thank you for staying this long if you made it here.